this is our life here, guys. Before, guys, this is me. I don't know, like, kanang going to the river so that the cow will gonna drink water. Yes. Drink the water, guys. Ano the... Okay! 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 Alam mo, di mo lang. So guys, before guys that I was not creating my YouTube channel, I am the only one who gonna take care of the cow. And then, before when I was not yet working, yes. Hoy, nakakaliha! Hala! Mariam! With our nanay tita. Okay! Nanawa mo, ang isa sing. Tapay kay Gingas day! This is our life here, guys. And countryside. Like this. Because guys, we don't have no more water here, guys. So we just bring a 2 gallon for the cow. Yeah. If we have a lot of water, ano guys, ito yung water. Ha? Cookie! 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 Come here! Come here! Hala! Cookie! Hadok lagi silang maka. Hala! Cookie guys, afraid. Cookie! Hadok sa baka. Cookie looks like a gay. This is our life here. This one.
5 and 30 seconds.
You are afraid. You are afraid of the night. That is our cow, guys. But yeah, we just like borrow the cow. We're taking care of that. And then my mom if the cow gonna have a kid or baby, then you're gonna give it to the owner, and then the next baby is ours. So yeah, that's why we call it barrow cow. That is the cow of our neighbor, but the owner, the real owner, guys, was already died. So only his children. No, guys, it is their father just give it to them, but unfortunately the father the kid my tita are working and Cebu, so that's why my mother taking care of that cow. That's a girl. So this is guys very difficult, guys.
Dong, ana daw dato dong.
Yeah.
Ana daw pa dong ana.
Before we are in the guys, bottom, guys. So Leo! Baka na ako. Kasama na paliton, ma. Paliton ko na.
Laki nang di ako.
Bago na rin ako. Makahabalan ako. It's good because si Cookie. Cookie is very heavy. It's really hard to my arm. Shout out to my nephew, guys, who holding the phone. I think we should go. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh. Let's Cookie, guys. Okay. This is the real life here in countryside. And this is just guys, easy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is Lakaw, guys. So Cookie is afraid as well. Oh, Cookie. Hi, Momo. Leo. Leo.
Ano kay? Sabi ka ano? Ano ba yan? Ano ba?
It's so skinny guys, that's all, because actually the water here is no more water in the in our supply there in the under the forest, but that's why we just bring
May pagitulo na to man.
we just bring a gallon. The cow is very thirsty guys.
Leo.
Leo, my subscriber. Leo sa tutungan. Okay.
Leo, di kay sa baba na to.
Mana daw? Okay.
Naman.
Okay.
Pwede man sa kaagi man no.
Oh, yung kaduka mo nang nangawa nang maduka. Okay, Stippy.
Duka ka kupi.
Dawal pa.
Uy, painom na nimo tubig nami.
Okay.
Ingon dai siya pag-abot siya.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. So now again guys, work going to ano tawag natin? Ano tawag natin?
Tabay.
Going to Tabay. Tabay something like they have a water guys.
Yes.
Something like that. Tabay. I don't know what's the English of that Tabay.
Balik gugkol.
Huh?
Balik.
Guys, our water supply in the in the spring there in the mountain, no more. It's already dry. Yes. So that's why we are going to here so far guys, so very far to our house, and then the way is very difficult. Yeah. So like that, we're going there, going to laundry guys. Yeah, I asked me and Gigi asking that we gonna laundry the clothes of my mother before we go back to apartment. As you know that my mother is taking care of the children, like my niece, nephew, so she cannot do laundry here. So since we are here,
Okay ra man ka dito taagi kol. Dito lang makan.
this is the house, our grandma's house, Karen stay. Yeah. It's so far away. Like before guys, we do this. Kanang mag-selfie gani ka. Kanang dato lang. Dato to. Awak cookie guys, look at cookie guys.
Hi guys. I'm the one who taking a video ba nami.
Yeah. Shout out to Gigi who holding the phone guys. And actually we I sit already. Alam pa ko yung cookie. Cookie come with us so
He shower. Kadaghan lagi kumpay.
this is for the cow food guys, this one. Like this, napper.
Lalo. Manala. Manamig pangaon la. Manamig pangaon la ay. Oo. Kadaghan naman gakol.
So that one mangoes guys, my father gonna harvest that.
Ay kapapa din ako.
Yeah. My brother gonna harvest that after the one mangoes there. After they gonna harvest. Okay, come here.
Okay.
This is our life here guys. This is a day of my life in countryside.
Hey.
Hindi mo lang naman dito.
Hindi okay naman.
So here guys. So
Wala karon pa ko kabalik dire kol. Ikaw?
then they just came back here since for how many years? Asa ko okay?
Wala ay. Ano?
Okay. Alik okay.
Kaluoy.
That is the house of Light guys. So there, that low roof. That is the house of Light. No more water supply.
Ano kaluoy?
Hello? Ay, bigay daw.
Gigi.
Okay, come here, okay. Hey.
Kaluoy ta.
Alik, okay.
Come on. Ha? a river. Ang gugma sa teenager, pinaagi sa love letter. Hala. Okay! Yeah. Naman?
Kadang selfie ka na kita, mag-video.
Ano?
Dili, kadang selfie nga pa ba, front nga, video ana ba? Pwede na ma-front, i-save sa save.
Save. Asalo? Ay, dari ko. Hala, si Koke. Asa ang dalon, lo? Aw. Pag muna na ako kulo ay. Ni, naman ang laba. Yan oy. Landong lagi diri nay. Fish pa na nay? Ah. Asa tubig ni mo nay? Hindutan ni mo kuan nay nun. Nabitso ka kol, bitso. Hindutan mo pagkabutang gud nay.
Kabutang diri ni on.
Hindutan ba diyang balay nay?
Na indot yun ay ay. Ato may pa. Indot na kapag ko na ato lawas, ato na.
Nara man na. Halo man ako na. Di kang namin nay. Pami ka bless nay. Pami ka bless.
Ay da, ay lang nay. Wala ka nay.
Video lang ko na.
This is our tiya guys.
Nanay.
Nanay. Yan nanay. Ikaw pila gyud mga punay. Look, sugot tubig ko.
Oo. Pag mo sana ko kulo ay.
Guys, look at guys. It's very guys,
Fresh water
fresh water.
from the forest.
From the forest.
Bugnaw?
Dili. Okay ra man.
Pag mo sana ko kulo ay.
Halo ko kusog. Rubuyo. Mura masig ko na. Baka na mag-check lagi. Pero na si ID na.